What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think one of the number one conversations that we have on this channel is really surrounding XRP and whether it's going to be worth anything more than it is right now. I had a comment in the live stream about why XRP wasn't moving. It wasn't making a move and it's kind of consolidating. And whenever I look at consolidation, I look at it as a positive because consolidation usually leads to very bullish momentum. However, the markets haven't really been bullish themselves. So why should we expect that from XRP to see this absolutely take off in the way that we all hope for it to take off? Um, but XRP will make people very, very wealthy. There's a lot of people that hold way more XRP than me, but I still do expect to see a significant outcome with XRP itself. And not only in the short term, but also in the long term and understanding the grand scheme of things. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for referral links for my Patreon. You can definitely check those out. Those are down there as well. And one more thing, my kick, which people are getting notifications for, finally getting notifications for my live streams. So if you want to get notified for my live streams and be a part of even a stream that we do separate than just YouTube, feel free to check out my kick link, which is the first link in the description. But let's talk about XRP because as we look at XRP, it's currently sitting around 47 cents. Down a slight bit, but mainly I would say flat or at a break even point, right? Um, we're seeing that the overall volume is slightly flat as well, slightly up, but seeing it around the $745 million. You see billions of dollars that are going through XRP in a week, right? Multiple billions. You look at the volume to market cap ratio, looking at about 3%. It's not huge, it's not a big difference, but we're still seeing it at a level to where we see some popularity, which is definitely good. But again, if you look over like the last month, you're going to see how this really has been like consolidating. We've been seeing it somewhere around this 47 cents up to 52 cents, but really hovering around this again, 47 cents, 48 cents mark, kind of having, double touch points, triple touch points, some of these levels to where it really is showing support and showing a resistance within a small frame, a small little window. That is consolidating, right? And people are still iffy on exactly what's going to happen with this overall Ripple case and how XRP is going to, maybe benefit from it or fall from it. Like what is going to happen with this play? And my belief in what will happen and the reason why I'm so very bullish on this position is the fact that yes, we have Ripple, right? That's in this lawsuit, and if they win or when they win, we're going to see a definition. We're going to see an understanding of what a security is. We're going to be able to open the door for a lot of other positions or the other lawsuits to kind of get resolved fairly quickly. This has been 2 years in the making, 2 years plus in the making to see this outcome. And whenever we get to any type of article, any type of news that says this outcome is going Ripple's way, Ripple starts to run, right? To 50 to 56 to 60 cents, right? It starts making moves. And I honestly think there's another layer to that, right? Not only the layer of just understanding what what a security is, and what XRP will be labeled as there, but also opening the door for Coinbase to relist XRP, which is a big deal, right? If Coinbase, right, if Ripple wins and Coinbase decides to relist XRP, they just open the floodgates. Like there's going to be so much volume that goes through that, not just for Coinbase itself, but just because of the Coinbase pump that you end up seeing with that, and understanding that there is a larger future to this and not a future to where XRP is labeled a security and taken out and just not looked at the same way. It's going to be completely different. So it opens up those doors for so much more growth here. Now, I saw a bunch of articles kind of like this where, you see XRP, 100 XRP can create a millionaire miracle. And they're talking about how, or the concept behind XRP and the fact that it could become the global digital asset, the global digital currency that we use for pretty much everything, because it is a transaction based currency. It is something that, will be cheap to use. It is something that will be fast, right? And that's what we're all looking for. We're looking for that thing that can be translated, and not just be, hey, this is an American currency. Hey, this is a European currency. Hey, this is a Chinese currency. It's not about that. This is the digital currency, and we all utilize this currency because it is widely known and widely accepted. And if you can have that, it's not just 300 million people or 2 billion people or 100 million people. It's 7 billion people. I don't even know how many people are on this planet. I think it's 7 point something, but let's just round up and say 8 billion people that will widely accept XRP as a form of payment. This is a huge use case that can create so much more, to where now they can say, hey, this is not just worth, a 10 billion or 100 billion or 200 billion dollar market cap. This is something that has more value than just one country's wealth or market there. It's more like the world's market, and you're looking at a $1 trillion market cap, $2 trillion market cap, $100 trillion market cap, and that's where a lot of people's heads are. Now, I'm still not there with seeing those figures and how you can get to that point, because we still really can't use cryptocurrency as a form of payment for a lot of things. But if it is something that is widely used and widely accepted through real estate, through I don't know, trading, through shipping, and just all this other type of stuff that you can use. I can't think of things off the top of my head for some reason. But used through all these different things, all these different payment methods, um, I feel as though XRP could be way more valuable than what I'm thinking. And that's great, because then if it's more valuable than what I'm thinking, I have my exit plan before that, to where I can take profit, but I can also hold some for the eventual massive push. 100 to 500 would be great to hold for that massive push to get to some of these levels that some people just don't see, don't believe that you could even get to, because they're only seeing off of like this tunnel vision over here, where it's like, oh, it needs to stay underneath a $100 billion market cap. It needs to stay underneath a $200 billion market cap. It needs to stay under Bitcoin. But honestly, it doesn't, right? Just because Bitcoin is the first, just because Bitcoin is probably, I wouldn't say most widely known when it comes to cryptocurrency, doesn't mean that it's the best to use there and will be the top of the top forever. You may see XRP, you may see Ethereum, you may see other positions that take its place. Bitcoin will still be there for nostalgic reasons, but I don't know what level or where it will be in the future. And that's just my whole spiel on Bitcoin. But anyways, XRP can make a lot of millionaires, can make people so much money out of it. Will it make me a millionaire from XRP itself? No, right? I'm not gonna hold on to that. Now, if 100 XRP can obviously get to that point, then yes, it will do that. But from what I'm looking at short term, my expectations are a little bit lower, because from an investor standpoint, I'm just looking for profits. And if I get something absolutely ridiculous from this XRP that's sitting over here, then that's fantastic as well. But I'm not looking solely for that. I'm looking for something smaller, but if it happens, it happens. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.